Don't. Okay. Hold on. I'm unlocking. What are you doing, man? Don't. I don't have money on me, man. I got all credit cards.
You see that bullet in there?
I don't. Don't shoot me.
Give me your money.
Don't. Okay, hold on. Let me get out. Hold on.
Stay in the car.
Don't shoot. You're gonna shoot me? Why are you gonna shoot me, man?
Boom, what's up, team? Want to come at you guys with this tactical protection review. We've got a lot of rideshare services taking place, and for sure you guys could find yourself in this type of situation, right? So we have a carjacker rolling up on a dude who's just simply trying to be a taxi or give him a ride, you know what I mean? This is happening more and more and more. But I believe there's a lot we can learn from this scenario about what to do when someone pulls a gun on you. Boom, he's gone. That's what's up. Boom, ByronRodgers, tactical protection review, learn protection strategies from a protection professional. What can we learn from this situation right here? Okay, so as this situation unfolds, boom. So gunman is in the back, kind of, we like to call it the dude's hip pocket, right? Gun dude's over here, right? That's a problem. He's got you kind of at a place of extreme disadvantage, right? So you can defend everything really right here, you know, out kind of like this pretty easily. But things start getting back here in your corner panels. It starts getting more and more difficult to defend. The weapon's pretty well aimed. So like, do you have time to go ahead and, you know, try to run or get out of the vehicle? Here's the thing that anybody who has had to control other human beings with a gun knows. It's actually kind of hard to really do a good job controlling someone even though you have a firearm trained in on them. It's like the firearm's not the ultimate you win wild card. So here's the situation. When someone pulls a gun on you, there's gonna be little moments when they're gonna need to do something else, when their mental bandwidth or awareness is being taxed. And so you really have to like understand when your moments arise. They're gonna arise and they're gonna disappear. There's gonna be these little moments in the contact where you can make your move, shoot your shot. You disarm. Do you use your own tools of violence? Do you use my favorite martial art, faster than you foo, to get away, right? And I love this guy. He kind of stays calm. He kind of keeps talking with him. And there's risk involved in all of it. But if you time it at the perfect moment when that person's bandwidth is depleted, their level of awareness or their ability to act. Like, I'm sitting here, I'm holding a gun on you and I'm trying to get all your stuff off your body and do all this stuff. The reality is there's gonna be moments when I need to look down, I need to grab things, I need to make sure the cops aren't here. And these are all the types of moments when you wanna either strike, run, do whatever it is that you need to do in order to survive the situation. So we see here, he's kind of talking with the guy, he's kind of bargaining with the guy. The dude switches hands, he's playing it cool. Another note here is when you're sitting in your car, remember, when cars aren't moving, they become coffins. When you're sitting in your car, it's not a bad idea if you're in a place that you don't know, or you just got in your car and you need to do something real quick, put it in drive, put it in reverse, and just keep your foot on the brake. And this way, if someone walks up like this, you don't need to drop it into gear in order to get moving. You can just hit the gas and get out of that situation. So a lot of safety doesn't have, like I say, to do with your weapons. It has a lot to do with thinking through the equation and a certain level of awareness that can help you move through the world more safely, right? I always talk about context. Where are you going? How aware should you be versus based on where you're going? He's in a neighborhood he doesn't know, looks a little jungly. He should be paying attention, right? Context. It's time for me to pay attention. Tactical positioning. Where am I in the world? Where he has placed his vehicle. Does he have visual mastery of his environment? Can he see someone approaching his vehicle? Looks like that guy approached from an angle where he wasn't really going to be able to see him, right? Rolling risk assessment. What's my level of risk? Now we see this guy come over to the side of the vehicle over here, where is an even worse position, an even more difficult position to defend himself. However, the second that guy makes a move to go back here, right? You see him passing around the vehicle, that back window. This is a beautiful moment. This is a beautiful moment to hit the gas and use one of my favorite martial arts, faster than you foo. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your loved ones. This isn't about how strong you are, it's about how smart you are, and this is about helping save lives of people who may be in situations like this that we don't even know yet. ByronRodgers, protector by nature and by trade, reminding you to be peaceful but not harmless. Share this, let's make the world a safer place. Out. Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.